Yes, Sheffield Park on the Bluebell Railway. Today I'm here on the Bluebell Railway, sitting at this very comfortable bench, I may add. Today I'm going to be going on the Inspiration train for the first time. It's finally arrived at the Bluebell Railway. I'm at Sheffield Park and I'm going to make my way up to Horsted Keynes. And that is where I'm going to be getting on the Inspiration train. So, yes, this isn't really my neck of the woods because, as you probably know by now, I volunteer at the Bluebell Railway. I work at Kinscote and East Grinstead. So it's not really my neck of the woods, don't even know this place very well, but yeah, we drove all the way here. I thought it was going to be shuttling from Horsted Keynes to Sheffield Park, but it's not. It's static at Horsted Keynes. So we are going to go there. I think the Warden Ramble is here at the moment. I'm not really too sure what that is. Might get on it, we'll see. But yes, I was told because I'm staff, I can come at approximately 3 o'clock, and that's what I've done. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock is when staff are allowed to go and have a look at the Inspiration train. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Right. So this isn't actually a dining train. It's not operating as a dining train. It says Warden and Rambler on it, but it's not operating as a dining train. So I'm going to be taking this service to Horsted Keynes. So the person on the phone, when I ran up, they told me that it was the Class 66, the Inspiration train, was running between Sheffield Park and Horsted Keynes, but apparently it's just stationary at Horsted Keynes, which is also completely fine because it just means I get to ride a train. Right, this is going to be my little compartment. I don't know if I'm in third or first class at the moment, but I'm staff, so I don't really think it matters. Look, the second I bounced on it, I just sat on it normally, but my head went all the way back, and it's very bouncy. It's extremely bouncy, which I really like because it means it's really comfortable. Whoa! Just sat in it normally. That is my ticket. My plan with the Inspiration train is to obviously have a look around and also ask if I can go in the cab and blow the horn, but we'll see if we get to that or not. So in case you didn't know, the Class 66 Inspiration train Railway 200 has officially arrived at the Bluebell Railway on Sunday. It's its first day today. And yeah, it's really interesting because I didn't think the Bluebell would actually have the funds, I guess, to have the Inspiration train here, but apparently they do. Obviously, the Inspiration train is going on tour around the whole of the UK, I'm pretty sure, like just around the UK. So for it to come to the Bluebell, it means quite a lot. And obviously, because I volunteer at the Bluebell, I love the Bluebell and it means a lot to me. And it has a special place in my heart, it definitely does. I'm currently still a trainee porter at Kinscote and East Grinstead. So yeah, I generally really love the Bluebell. I've got to dispatch trains, I've got to help dispatch trains. It's called assisting dispatch. I've got to actually dispatch. I've got to do so many things with the Bluebell, and it's such a cool experience, and I do generally love them so much. So anyway, let's go to Horsted Keynes, or Horsted Keynes, however you say it. I call it Horsted Keynes, not Horsted Keynes, but whatever. I'll see you in a bit. Also, in case you didn't know, Govia Thameslink Railway GTR has teamed up with the Bluebell Railway, and they're going to be supplying a simulator at Horsted Keynes station, and I will hopefully be doing that as well somewhere. I don't know if it's there right now, I don't think it is, but yeah. It feels very weird to be a passenger for once, and obviously I'm not really used to coming to Sheffield Park or Horsted Keynes. Obviously I've been to both before, but I'm not really used to it, so yeah. One of them says lavatory, and the other says toilet. I've just realised that the shop, they're giving away Bluebell bags with Railway 200 on it. I need to get one of them. Well, we've got 20 minutes, I've just realised. I was just sitting on that train like, oh, we're about to move, but no, we've got 20 minutes, I'm going to go to the shop. All I want is a bag. Hopefully they can just sell me a bag. Just heard over the intercom, this is the last round service of the day. Gifts and models. Hello. I was wondering, could I purchase a bag? One of the Railway 200 bags?
You can have a bag.
Thank you.
What? So generous, isn't he, without me?
Yeah.
I'll be saying. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you very much. They gave it to me for free. I'm just going to have a little look around. I love this. Kids can just sit in there, it's so cute. That is cool. Got nothing to do with my trip, but this is the Sir Archibald. That's cool. Battle of Britain class. That is quite cool, I can't lie. I don't know what we're getting pulled by. There isn't a locomotive at the front. Oh, that must be it. I'm so stupid. So that's going to connect to the carriages up there. I understand now. Right, let's go and catch our train. There we are. This is first, I might not go in here. Right, let's board. Ah, I think I prefer the other seats because they're more private. Oh, this is still very comfortable, it does sink down. This is my Railway 200 bag. I actually really like it, I'm not going to lie. So apparently this train's doing the last round trip, and then there's going to be another one from East Grinstead, but it's going to terminate at Horsted Keynes, or Horsted Keynes. The Bluebell Railway is such a magical place, and I love it so much. We're just getting dispatched now. Have a nice day! Right, I will see you at Horsted Keynes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! It's there, it's behind that train! Oh my god! I'm here at Horsted Keynes, Horsted Keynes. Oh my god. Oh, there's a subway. Yes, good. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so cool! Oh my god, that's so cool! It's got history on it as well. That's so cool. It's got history on it. That's sick. Welcome aboard Inspiration. That is crazy. And we've got the 66 at the front. Oh, that is so cool, guys. Railway 200. Well, that is the Inspiration. Welcome aboard Inspiration. And the loco, the 66, is just over here. This is what I've been waiting for, honestly. The 66 is just there. That beautiful thing. And then you've got like a British Rail kind of thing there. That's nothing to do with the Inspiration. But yes, let's go and have a look inside. Oh, this is sick. Oh my god. Where do I go through here? Which way do I go? That way? Do I go through here or there? What's in there?
No, that way.
Okay, there's nothing up there.
Nothing at all.
Okay, thank you. This is absolutely sick. This is the Railway 200 Museum. Oh my god, this is sick. What does this do? Wait, I'm confused. What does this do? Railway 200, first class, collect and process, journey stamp number 1. How do I do this then? Is that what was meant to happen? Okay. A journey stamp. Well, that I thought it was going to stamp it. It's not going to stamp it. Nope. Okay. It appears not. Pull and return a lever to complete the journey to 1825. I don't know what it's doing, I'm going to be completely honest. Oh, are they like all the different levers? They look exactly the same. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This was designed so perfectly though. Got some information books and stuff there. God, you got a dot matrix display system. That is so cool. I don't know what that is. Half this stuff I don't know what it is. You've got headphones. This is interesting. HS2 Breakthrough 2022. Safety. Oh, you can even sit down. It's actually quite comfortable. It's wood, but it's comfortable. The button push the button to see Rail got Britain running. I don't know what's meant to happen here, but okay. You got a vest. What does this do? I've never seen one in my life. More seats, a window. Oh, this is so cool. Wait, what is this? Everything you have seen in this carriage has been by a team of national... What is it? So, what is your first name? Describe your favourite railway memory. Okay, I'm not going to do that just because I don't think we have enough time. But these pencils are very cool. Railway 200. Obviously, I'm not going to take one because I don't think I'm allowed to. But, yes. Do you know what would be cool if they had toilets? I don't think they do. I don't need the toilet, but I'm just saying. They got litter and they got the national rail symbol as well. That is so cool, guys. Welcome on board. Railway 200 Museum. What's this?
Oh yeah, somebody has to be able to go across.
What? What's this?
Oh, you wrecked it!
The landscape.
Is it wet?
No, it's sand. It's sand. It's a projection onto sand.
Ah.
So if you have to see this bit's higher because it's thicker sand, if you take the sand away, it becomes a lake.
That's cool.
And there's two trains going around. So like here,
Yeah.
the train can't get through because there's a flood. So then if you do that, the
That's so
train
cool.
starts moving around.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Okay, you can move again. Move again. Okay, it's not working for me, but...
I don't know. I don't think it's not brand new technology. I think it has been used before, but yeah.
That is seriously impressive. I like that. I should remember that.
What have we got in here?
This is all sorts of interesting things about possible careers on the railway.
Ah.
Different things you can do, like digging holes. Yeah. Basically, it's the same as what they were doing in Victorian times. Instead of having 9 blokes with shovels at the end, you've got to figure out how to play.
Excuse me. Thank you. Got a drone.
Yeah.
What is this? Tap to start, tap next. I would prefer... Oh, this is very interesting. I would prefer to work outdoors rather than in an office. Yes, that's me. I like helping other people, that is me. I enjoy being accurate and making sure I don't make mistakes, yes. I like protecting animals and the environment. I don't like spiders, so I'm going to go in the middle there. I do like animals though. I prefer working on my own to being in lots of people. Yes, I do agree. Amongst my friends, I'm the organised one who makes sure things get done properly. I like to express myself by writing stories and creating art. I used to write stories, and I guess I don't create art, but yeah. I like things to be clear and precise. Yes. I'm someone who naturally looks after other people and makes sure they're okay. Again, I think in the middle, guys. I like finding ways to improve how things are done. Yes? Yeah, I think so. I enjoy... Look, we're nearly done, guys. I enjoy playing around with technology. Depends what it is. If it's railway technology, then yes. I enjoy solving puzzles and challenging myself with hard problems. Not really, I hate hard problems. A rail teacher. It thinks I should be a rail teacher. Not a train driver. It thinks I should be a rail teacher. That's... I honestly don't know what a rail teacher is, but interesting. How does a rail teacher work outside? Brain teasers. Oh, this is a cool room. What's in here?
We normally, it's our partner carriage, so we usually have network partners kind of doing activities or exhibiting in
Yes.
here, but we don't have any
Is this the last
partners in
room?
today. Yes,
Okay,
it is.
thank you.
Yeah.
That's cool. So cool. Oh, that's cool as well. Where do I exit? Here? Oh, yes.
Well, it's got a little Dr. Radar module.
Oh, that was sick, guys. That was generally awesome. So yeah, I'm here with the inspiration train. I might take some pictures for the thumbnail or just some pictures in general. This is UK Transit signing off from Horsted Keynes. Like, subscribe and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. If you do want to come here to see this magnificent beauty and the 66, unfortunately I can't go in the cab because I can't go past the line. Technically I can because I'm rail staff, but I'm not going to, as I don't actually work at Horsted Keynes. But yeah, you must get here by Sunday if you wish to see this beauty in person. And I will keep you updated with the simulators because I'm not really too sure what's happening there. Together 200 Railway Museum. Welcome to Inspiration. I'm so proud that we have this at our lovely railway, the Bluebell. Future. It's really hard to get a good shot of this. I hope it's all good. Welcome aboard Inspiration. Present. Past. Inspiration.
Oh,
And then you got one of the Bluebell carriages here. This is so cool. Bye bye. Sorry guys, I know I said I signed off, but this is the platform ticket I just purchased. That thing was £5. £5 for one of them. I thought it was going to say Railway 200 or something like that. That's the only reason I wanted it, but it doesn't. Anyway, I'm going to go and get some food or a drink.